Hello learners, this is Habiba with Excel with me. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Let's start today's class, that is Research in Education, Tools of Research. Before understanding about the different research tools, we will discuss about the characteristics of a good research tool. Let's understand with the introduction. In research, data collection is an important part. For any theme of research, in order to collect the requisite data, you have to devise appropriate tools and use suitable measuring techniques and decide on the relevant attributes of the samples drawn. Already we have understood different types of samples, how we can choose the method of sampling. Before that, you need to understand to measure the things, suitable techniques. What are the suitable techniques? What are the tools you will use on those subjects, on the samples? That is very, very important. Any theme of research you will do, you have to collect requisite data. To collect that requisite data, you need to use some tools or techniques. Let's understand here what is a tool first. A tool is an instrument used for gathering data. Obviously, whatever data you want to collect from the samples, you have to use one instrument or tool to gather that data, or information pertaining to certain attributes. That means maybe you are conducting a research on the academic achievement, maybe intelligence, whatever attributes you want to find out or measure. To collect that, you need a tool, that is information pertaining to certain attributes. For example, you want to measure the intelligence, then you have to obviously use some tool there. Or characteristics of an individual or a group. When you are giving any tool to the sample or the participant, obviously you are going to understand what are the characteristics of an individual or a group through that tool itself. Then it uses all these techniques. Then issues relating to society, systems, etc. If you are using a tool, then you will understand what are the issues relating to society, system. You will understand, maybe you are preparing an interview, some questions, or you are preparing a questionnaire. These are all the examples of tools. Now there are several research tools varying in design. Design may be different in whatever category you want to generate the tool. That design is very important. Then complexity of features. What are the features? What is the complexity of that? You have to understand related to the tool. Maybe easy, difficult, moderate, that complexity you need to understand. Then operation, vary in operation. Different research tools, different operations there will be. They will vary according to the research or according to the things or according to the attributes your tools are operated. And also vary in interpretation, how you are going to interpret that tool, that is also vary from one another. Here in certain situations, you may select from a list of available tools. Obviously, there are n number of tools available or softwares available. You can use them directly. Maybe you can purchase them, or if they are available free also, you can use them. In other situations, you may find that existing research tools do not suit your purpose or objective of research, and therefore you may like to modify them or develop your own. Obviously, in some cases, if ready-made tool is not available, what you will do? You will not stop doing the research. What you will do? Whatever suits your objective of research, you may likely to modify that with the permission, or you may develop your own tool or your own device. Then each tool is appropriate for collecting a particular type of data or information which lends itself to a particular type of analysis and interpretation for drawing meaningful conclusions and generalization. obviously whatever tool you are using, it should be appropriate for collecting a particular type of data, or otherwise you are using that device to collect the information. Why? It will lend you particular type of analysis. You do the data analysis and you do the interpretation. On the basis of that analysis and interpretations, you draw the conclusions that should be meaningful. You will generalize things which should be effective and useful for others in future, obviously. Now, what are the characteristics of a good research tool? This is the main important part of this research tools topic. That is, first, validity, reliability, and then usability. These are the three main characteristics of a good research tool. That is, in selecting tools for collecting data, a researcher should evaluate them in terms of these characteristics. So, we will understand each characteristics in one class in the future lessons. This is the end of this class today. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning.